Hello everybody, I'm here with Massimo Corrente. I think your name is fantastic, Massimo.
Grazie.
Is that your real name?
It is my real name, yes.
Adriano.
Tali capito, tali che c'è.
Lì capito.
Guarda la collana, quella la trinacria, bellissima.
Bellissima.
Today is a beautiful day. We're here to celebrate Italian-Australian culture, and honestly, we can do it nowhere better than exhibition building.
Ma che sei bello, sei veramente bello sei.
Grazie.
I want to ask you a question. What's your favorite thing about our festa?
A Festa, a mangiare.
Mangiare?
A mangiare e ballare. A mangiare e ballare, tutte e due, fa perfetto.
And what's your favorite Italian word?
Sicuramente. Sicuramente. Because when someone says to you sicuramente, you know it's like it's for sure. Sicuramente lo facciamo. È così.
That's a beautiful, mate. Now, are you going to show us today some of your moves?
I'll do a little bit of moves, yeah, a little bit of a kick, a bit of a dance. Let's see, point the fingers. Of course, I'm a slave to the rhythm, so when the music comes on, I can't control myself.
You're very good. You're very, very good.
Grazie.
They're doing the whole, because everybody loves Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson is the best. He's the king. Yeah.
The king of pop.
I look like if Michael Jackson, if Toto Cotugno tried to do Michael Jackson dance moves. That's what I've been called.
Well done, mate. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.